How to find the nearest budget location and get directions. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on enter your pickup location or zip code. You can enter the nearest location to you and you'll find different options. You can select one of the nearest location you want. After you've selected the location, select date. After you've selected date, select time, and if you want to return to the same location, return or return date, time. And at the bottom, you'll find different options. You can select vehicle type and select the one you prefer and click on select my car. After this, you can simply select your car as you want and do other processes like booking by paying as well, as you have already found your nearest location. This is how to find the nearest budget location and get directions. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.